Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a long time since I've been on here, but I wanted to share with you guys my Fantasy Floral Simply Gilded subscription box. I haven't seen a lot of people sharing this, so I wanted to go ahead and do that because since it's been such a while that I have been online and have visited with you guys, I thought this would be the perfect way for me to get my feet wet again. So let's go ahead and share. In this box, this is subscription from the Simply Gilded. This is volume number 12, which means that it has been a full 12 months that she has had her subscription box. I'm super excited. I think I have had a few subscriptions over the years of planning. This is one subscription that I don't plan on canceling. This is one that has so many pieces in it that I really love, whether I love to hoard them, use them, or just admire them for their beauty. I love this subscription box. And this particular month rather, everybody knows I'm not a huge fan of floral. So I think out of every box that I've received or every subscription that I've received, I have loved every single one of them. This is my least favorite simply because it's floral. I'm not a fan of the floral. However, it is still part of the subscription, so it's still something I'm gonna keep. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into the box. I tend to try to not damage or bend the boxes at all. And in the subscription, I think I've shared one in the past. Actually, I've probably shared a few in the past. So that's everything that's in the box. You always get a journaling card or something the size of a journaling card that will tell you the theme of the box, obviously the month of the box, and then everything that's included within the box. So this is kind of cute. You can keep them, collect them, do whatever. We'll keep that off to the side. Lately, all of the boxes have been coming with pouches. And this one, though the material is really nice, I love the fact that it's got a rose gold zipper and the pull is rose gold. Does it say anything? Doesn't say anything on it, but it's still a nice pull. And all the washi tape is on the inside. Even though it feels good, oh, it's like a box. It's like a, what do they call that? A rectangle on the bottom. So it's like a square, like kind of like a sit flat kind of pouch. It's really nice as far as that goes, but again, I'm not a fan of floral, so I won't be using this. This will be one that I just it'll sit in the box and I'll continue to hoard it. And one of my favorite things, obviously, of having the subscription to the Simply Gilded is all of the beautiful washi that we get. Oh my goodness, look. Oh, my word. My word, my word. Look at this. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 washi. So here we have what are these, 10 millimeter, I think they are. This I think is the 10 millimeter, right? And then these are no, my bad. These are the 15 millimeter, and then these are the 10 millimeter. So here you can see all of them kind of up close. They're coming off a little more red in camera, but I promise you they are pink. They are a deep pink, but they are pink nonetheless. This one has rose gold bows on it. It's floral with the rose gold bows. This one says live boldly, go get it, take a chance, slay. But this also has floral, and then the sayings are also in rose gold. Those are pretty. This one obviously is probably one of my favorites because it's just stripes, but you can see the rose gold foil stripes on there as well. This one is to match the 15 millimeter one. So this is also floral with rose gold bows. And then the last one is this beautiful design. I don't even know what kind of design you would say that is on there, but it's really pretty. Rose gold foil. I don't know, this kind of, believe it or not, this actually gives me more like a Middle Eastern kind of feel to it rather than really floral. And actually kind of, well, no, it doesn't kind of really go with that, but these go nicely together. So those are the 5 washi that come in it. And then we have, what do we have on here? This here looks like a bow, charm, and clip with, again, that deep kind of fuchsia kind of pink. And this is on a rose gold charm clip, which is really pretty. And then this is on one of those wide paper clips, also rose gold. Very pretty. So I'm just going to put those to the side. I'll put it in a bag later. Put the bag up here. Then we have, oh, this is really pretty. We have a notepad in the shape of a heart. It is a large, look at that. It's bigger than my palm, so it's a large notepad, which is nice. I wonder, does it say on here how many are in there? I don't think it says how many are on there, but heart-shaped sticky notes are adorable. With every Simply Gilded box, excuse me guys, I think I'm losing my voice because I'm trying to get over a cold. My body's been fighting it for a while. So with every Simply Gilded box, you always get a pocket insert, and this one says Dream Boldly on the back, again in rose gold with the line and Simply Gilded branded on the back. The Simply Gilded bow on the front. I'm sorry about the glare from the lights up top, sorry. But in every box, you'll always get one of these little TN booklets. These are cute. These are the Simply Gilded bows. There's a lot here. There's 4, 5, 6, 7 of the bows, stickers, again with the foiling, so pretty. And then here's a journaling card. I think that this is, what size is this? Maybe an A6 or a pocket? I'm really not sure what size these are. I'm wondering if it says it on here. The foil pocket TN insert. No, it doesn't necessarily say what size it is, but who cares? Again, I've been hoarding them. You can see the foiling on there and how pretty that is. Nothing on the back. And then the foiled, these are kind of, I don't even know what you call these. These are their stickers. She calls it a luxe sticker sheet, which just means that they're not as thin as a normal sheet of like paper stickers. These are thicker, much more durable. Obviously you can see that they are still flexible, but they are much thicker. I love the fact that they're foiled as well. Every single one of these has foil on it. These over here, I don't know if you can see it very well. This one here says today, remember, important, to do, to buy, to pay. And then you have some flags. Oh, you have the Simply Gilded bunny. But I do love these stickers, and it comes with 2 sheets. I really like these. I would probably use these if it wasn't so floral and pink. But to be honest with you, I probably won't be using these stickers just because of all the floral. Just because I personally, floral is not my preference. I love the fact that it's got black. You don't see a lot of, I guess, kits with, you know, a lot of black in there unless it's something having to do with like Halloween or something along those lines. But that was that. And then, oh, what do we have here? There's a little bag. What is this? Oh, you guys. But what we have here is a Simply Gilded bangle bracelet. Oh my goodness, look how pretty. Oh, you guys, that is so pretty. Here, I'll take it off and show the camera so you can see it closer. Oh my word, look at how pretty that is. Oh, and it's got Simply Gilded inscribed on the inside. Dude. My goodness, I'm definitely gonna wear this one. Oh, I love it. I might have to take it, keep it out of the box. Oh, and also it came with a pen. I don't think I shared the pen. So here's the pen. It does say Simply Gilded inscribed there on the pen clip. It is glitter. You can feel the glitter. It looks like, I don't know what this would be. Do I have paper around here? I don't want to pull up a note card and write on it. How about, here, I have a little sheet of paper here I can write on. Let's see. Oh, okay, so it is a rollerball pen. It's not, what do they call that? It's not like your, I don't know what you call, I all of a sudden went blank. I don't know what you call what is this called? a ballpoint pen. So so it is a roller ball. It writes nice. It's got a pretty fine point on it. I wish I could tell you exactly what point it was, but it definitely is a roller ball and not a ballpoint. You can feel the glitter on it, which I don't know, that may, if you don't like that feeling, you may or may not like this particular pen. But again, I tend to hoard these packs, pretty much everything within the packs. I think the only thing I'm going to be keeping out will be the bracelet, because I absolutely adore the bracelet. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this package, or rather this subscription box from Simply Gilded. I haven't seen, like I said, I haven't seen a lot of people sharing it, so I wanted to get on here and just kind of get my feet wet again back in the YouTube realm and share this all with you guys. You have any questions about the Simply Gilded subscription? I will link it in the box below. And if you want to look into it for yourself, I do believe that going forward, not only will she be having the 10 millimeter washi in the subscription boxes, but I think that there's also an add-on for the 5 millimeter. So next month's box you'll receive with the ones for the 5 millimeter if you sign up for it during that open enrollment, which I believe is happening this weekend. So that was it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. You know what I always say, be kind, be sweet, be real, but always do you. Thanks for joining. Bye guys.